Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is having a fabulous day. And today in the kitchen I will be sharing a recipe for honey, garlic and herb pork loin in the air fryer. So to get started, here I have my pork loin. It's about 2.5 pounds. I washed and I pat it dry. I did trim some of the fat but left some on because pork loin is a very lean meat and you need that fat to keep it moist. I also have here some basil, thyme and parsley. I have canola oil, some creole seasoning, garlic and onion powder, black pepper, all-purpose seasoning, and some complete seasoning. So basically we'll just be adding all the seasonings to a bowl and mix until well combined. This will help to distribute the seasonings evenly onto the pork instead of adding them individually and then some parts will not get the seasonings. You know, you just mix all together and then you add it to the pork. Next, we'll go ahead and spray some of that canola oil on both sides of our pork loin. This will help the seasonings to stick. And if you want to use a different kind of oil like olive oil or whatever, you can go ahead and do that. Then we will start generously coating the pork loin with our seasonings. Once we're done, we will allow this to marinate for about 2 hours. If you have the time and you can let it sit longer, that will be best. So before we add the pork loin to the air fryer, you want to make sure you preheat the air fryer for about 5 minutes. And what we'll do is spray some of that oil at the bottom of the air fryer. So the air fryer is set on 400 degrees for 25 minutes. But you want to make sure you spray some of that oil spray so that your pork loin gets a beautiful golden brown color. Now let's make a quick glaze with a few simple ingredients. Here I have some honey, some sriracha hot sauce for heat, soy sauce, and some grated garlic. Now we will combine all these ingredients, mix well, and we'll set it aside. After about 10 minutes, our pork loin is looking beautiful. What we will do now is glaze the pork loin with that yummy glaze, and we will flip it to the other side so that it can get a nice golden brown on both sides. Now we'll cook this for another 10 minutes, then we'll glaze it again. After we're done glazing this side, we'll cook it for the last 5 minutes, which will be 25 minutes in total, and then we'll be ready to serve. And this is it, guys. This is our delicious pork loin done in the air fryer. Now we will check the internal temperature by sticking it in the thickest part of the pork. We are looking for 145 to 150. I have 148 here, so this is perfect. Now we will let this rest for about 20 minutes before we slice into it. And now for the good part, I will cut into this and you guys can see how it looks on the inside. It is perfectly cooked and it is so juicy. The juices are still running, as you can see right there. And guys, you can have this with whatever sides you like. You can have it with mashed potatoes, a little bit of pasta, rice, bread, whatever. I personally like the end part of the pork. This is my favorite part right here. I love this part. and I will dig in right now. I hope you guys try this recipe. So this is my take on the pork loin in the air fryer. It is absolutely delicious. All those herbs, the sweetness from the honey, you know, all that spiciness from the sriracha, everything just comes together perfect. And it's super easy to make. I do hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I leave all my ingredients down in the description box. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Enjoy!